Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Talisha, also known as CreativiTeeByT. Thank you so much for taking the time to click on this video, and I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today I am coming on to share with you some Happy Mail. Yes, you know we love Happy Mail. This time though, I did not spend my own coins. Everything that I am going to be sharing with you today has been sent to me, or was sent to me through the mail. And so I will go ahead and first start off with announcing this new company that just launched called So Dope. I am wearing one of the t-shirts now, as you can see. It has So Dope, and I'll also insert a picture inside. This company launched on the 10th of November, and what I received outside of this t-shirt, I received a wonderful pouch that I can put all of my little sewing notions in. So you can put seam rippers in there, thread, you name it. Whatever you want to carry around, if you're traveling to go to like a sewing event, you can use this, and you know that it's not makeup inside of here. There's a sewing tool. So this will definitely come in handy because I tend to scatter items sometimes and I can just have this little pouch next to me and stick them right in. And then there's a coffee mug. I love a good coffee mug because I drink coffee non-stop. So I was absolutely excited about this. There are also other items and other t-shirts, like different styles and different colors available. So go ahead on Instagram and check out So Dope and get your products today. Next, what I received is some subscriber mail. I went to the post office one day and I was totally not expecting to see this large package in my P.O. box, and I'm not sure if she wants her name disclosed because I have not been able to contact her prior to recording this video. So I am going to leave her name anonymous, but I was sent this card. So it's this nice little card that she sent with the package with a beautiful note. And now I will show you the fabrics. So the first piece of fabric that she sent was this Black Panther fabric. So what she put inside of the note card concerning this piece of fabric, the Black Panther fabric, was that she was destashing her fabric and she came across this and she thought that it would be nice for me to sew something up for my boys and possibly my husband. So I am definitely going to use this fabric to make something for my boys and possibly my husband. I absolutely love it. Then I received this fabric right here. It's more in the silky fabric. I can definitely see like a blouse made out of this, or like something like the Sicily slip dress. This is very nice, and I love the designs, and I like the dark colors too. And then she sent this. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but this is like a silky type of fabric. And in the shine of it, let me see if I can, yeah, you can see it. There's roses. Oh, isn't that beautiful? So I'm thinking I'm gonna make a nightgown out of this. I think that would be super nice. It's very silky. It's thin, so it's breathable. And I think it would be super nice as a little nightie. And then she sent this piece of fabric right here. And you all know I'm into my plaids and checks right now, so I'm really loving this. But this looks kind of like a houndstooth type of print, and it has a little bit of lilac in there, black, gray, and like an off-white. So I really like these colors because they're neutral and they can match with everything. And this fabric, it's like a stretched cotton. It has a little bit of stretch in there. So I'm definitely thinking of like pants or a blazer. I definitely can use this in my wardrobe right now. I am loving this. So yes, this is a win-win. Love it. So the next item that she sent is a thimble craft container. It was sent in this box, but I took it out for the purpose of the video. Here's an image on what it would look like if filled, and here is the thimble. Isn't that cute? I can keep my scissors and things in here. I think this is absolutely adorable. I love it. And inside of the note card, she also mentioned about how thankful she was for the inspiration that she feels that I bring to her. So she sent a candle that has thank you on there. I think you can see it, yeah. I thought that was extra special and cute. And she also sent some lotion and some soap. So thank you so much. You know who you are. I truly appreciate it. And for my next happy mail that I received a 6-yard bundle of Ankara fabric from my friend Rochelle.Handmade Designs. This is the print that she sent. I absolutely love it, and I have a plan for this fabric. I believe I am going to make a shirt dress out of this, and I'm going to do that come spring. So watch out for that because it's going to be nice. So that is all for my happy mail. Just a nice quick show and tell video, but I just wanted to share it with everyone because I was so excited about it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the fabrics that I received, and also let me know if you're gonna support So Dope, and just check out, you know, the website and see what they have to offer. It might be something that you would like on the website, or there might be some things or some items that you would want to gift to someone else that is in the sewing community. So yeah, that's definitely an option. But again, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and thank you to all of my new and returning subscribers for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.